आंखों में आंखें डालकर तू छीन सकता है जिंदगी, चल छीन ले। तुझ में है जो वो नहीं है और में, इस बात पर है अजनबी, कर यकीन ले। जो है नहीं तू उसी को सच है मानता, तू उसको ही खुद से बड़ा है जानता। तू नहीं किसी और से, तू खुद से ही भयभीत है। चल अपने डर को तू डरा से डर के आगे जीत है। Let's fight, fight with fright. Come on, fight, fight with fright. Fright, fight, fright, fight.
Where are you? Okay. नहीं, I see you. Guys, he's just at the stairs, okay? Just hide. Don't make any noise.
वो लाइट में मैं पता नहीं सर, बच्चे घरों में तो ऐसे पानी का क्यों नहीं।
Hello?
हेलो रिया, घर में लाइट क्यों नहीं है?
No, the lights aren't off. Like, where are you? Roshan, just come home ना. Come up.
ऑलमोस्ट हर बच्चे को अंधेरे से डर लगता है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे वो बड़े होते जाते हैं उन्हें ये समझ में आ जाता है कि उजाले की तरह अंधेरा भी कुदरत का एक एलिमेंट है और वो अपने इस डर को भूल जाते हैं। लेकिन रोशन एक ऐसा बच्चा था जो बड़े होने के बाद अपने इस डर को भूल नहीं पाया था। भुलाना तो दूर की बात, दिन पर दिन उसका ये डर बढ़ता चला जा रहा था। चौंकाने वाली बात ये थी कि पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट के एक सब इंस्पेक्टर को अंधेरे जैसी मामूली चीज से डर लगता था। जिसका काम ही हो जनता की रक्षा करना, वो खुद अंधेरे से डरता था। आखिर क्या वजह थी, आइए जानते हैं।
Well done, Roshan. You have done very good job in missing cell, and I want you to patrol the street in the night.
Night duties?
You are our most trusted officer. You also know the area well. And Patil is very old now. We don't want him to do night duty.
But I was not told about this.
Come on, Roshan. It's just for a week. And night duty means you will be the first one to get promoted.
But night duties, sir.
Come on, Roshan. You have done so many difficult assignments. You brought on 27 children who were missing. There has been increase in criminal activities in the night. And I know you are the one to check this crime.
Sir, I got married and my wife, she has a fear of darkness, sir. She can't sleep alone, sir. So, I'm sorry, sir.
I'm a police sub-inspector. My job is to keep people safe and without fear. But it was easier said than done. I, a grown-up man, feared dark. Feared that crippled me in dark streets, dim-lit corners of unknown places, and even my own home. All that has to happen was for the light to go. And this fear, it gripped me completely.
It was funny at first. I mean, everyone is afraid of dark. But soon I realized that Roshan was really scared of darkness. Worse, he wouldn't even talk to me about it. I didn't want to bother him. As it is, police officer's life is very stressful.
Roshan! Roshan!
Yeah, Riya.
Come out now.
Yeah, it's so cheesy.
Roshan, candlelight dinner is not cheesy. I've prepared all of this just for you.
Look, Riya, it's not that. But I don't feel like eating that. I'm tired. Let's have a quick meal and go to sleep. Yeah.
I could hoodwink my colleagues, but at home, this was not going to happen. Riya could not be kept in dark forever.
I didn't know what to do. I even came to know that he had turned down a promotion.
Here? Here?
What?
You switched off the lights, kya?
Yeah, let's just keep it off from now on. I can't get any sleep.
But why, yaar? It's not as if we are saving electricity. Here? Give me some water now.
There's a jug in the living room. Just take it.
Get it now, please. Please.
Go na, Roshan. Get it now.
No, I can't. I just asked you to get some water.
Roshan, what is the matter with you? I've been noticing since a few days you're just like...
Yeah, I just asked you to get some water. If you don't want to, then it's fine.
Roshan, I don't care about the job. I just want to know why you didn't take it up. Being an inspector was your life's ambition, no? And this job would have made both our lives so much easier.
Your life would have been better, not mine. My life is difficult as it is. Taking this job would have given me nightmares.
Roshan, whatever it is, we'll work it out. Did you not take this job up because of the night shift? Listen, Roshan, I read about your condition. I don't understand it, but I know what we can do. But we have to do something about it. This can't go on. I care for you.
I know, Riya, but I don't know what to do here.
You need help. Help from experts. That's it.
रोशन एक काबिल और जांबाज पुलिस वाला था। वो अपनी ड्यूटी से कभी पीछे नहीं हटता था, लेकिन रोशन के सीनियर ने उसे नाइट ड्यूटी देकर अनजाने में ही उसे एक चक्रव्यूह में डाल दिया था। लेकिन रोशन ने अपने फियर ऑफ डार्कनेस के बारे में अपने सीनियर को नहीं बताया था। ये बात इतनी खटकने वाली नहीं थी, लेकिन रोशन ने अपने इस फोबिया के बारे में अपनी पत्नी रिया को भी नहीं बताया था। रोशन रात में लाइट जलाकर सोता था और हमेशा अंधेरे को अवॉइड करता था। ये बात उसकी पत्नी रिया को पता चल गई और अब मेडिकल हेल्प लेने का वक्त आ गया था। आगे क्या हुआ, आइए देखते हैं।
Roshan, are you ready?
Yeah.
Good. Just keep coming, okay? Are you out?
Yeah, I'm in the living room.
Good. I can see you, I can see you. Just keep coming here. Follow my voice, Roshan. You can do this. Keep your eyes open, Roshan. Don't think. Roshan, you can do this. Come. Just come. Very good. Keep your eyes. Very good. Good job. Very good. You did it. Roshan, you did it. It was really good, Roshan. You're good. Well done, Roshan. Relax. You did it. We won.
We had won the first step. Now for the difficult part. More lights had to be switched off. It was going to be difficult for him. But I had no idea something much worse. The truth was coming my way.
Roshan, ready for round 2?
Yeah, Riya.
Good. Follow my voice. Keep going.
Yeah, I can't.
You can do this, Roshan. Come on, I'm right here. Good. Keep coming. I'm standing right here. Roshan, keep coming. Good. You can do this. I'm right here. Good. No! Roshan, what is wrong with you? Roshan, what happened? Roshan, what happened? Roshan. Don't worry, don't worry.
तुम लोग छुप जाओ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 मैं आ रहा हूँ
For the first time in my life, Riya made me watch horror movies. Funny thing, she was more scared than me.
I'm so sorry, Roshan. Now I understand everything. Your fear of darkness, your fear for people. I'm so sorry. What happened to you could have broken anyone. But you came out of it. And you built such a good life for yourself. I'm so proud of you. As far as I'm concerned, this fear is just a side effect. It's something that we can treat. what is important is that you've done so well. You've built a good life. Now, let's just fight this fear and claim our lives back. Let's just do that.
As I looked into Ria's eyes, I could find the confidence I needed. I mean, deep down inside, I knew no darkness could hurt me at my home or anywhere else. There are no ghosts, no monsters, just horrible people, of which I had my fair share. But now, it was time to face my fears.
Ria, can we repeat that exercise again?
Let's do it tomorrow.
No, today only. Yes.
Darkness was just another thing. Not much different from brightness. Just that I could see a little less. But my job was not done. Bit by bit, I was coming to terms with my fear.
Sir, I have decided. I'll do the night duty, sir.
Hey, that's great, man.
Thank you, sir.
Wise decision.
Call of Duty finally prevailed over my fear of darkness. I did it. Though the darkness was still there, but the darkness in my mind had been dispelled. Whatever happened, had happened. I overcame my fear to help wipe out the fear from the faces of the children.
कोई है? कोई है? हाँ.
Uncle, help me.
डरना नहीं. हम जा रहे हैं. रौनक भाभी मम्मा के पास जाएंगे.
मुझे डर लग रहा है, मम्मा के पास जाएंगे.
हाँ हम मम्मा के पास जा रहे हैं. डरना नहीं है, प्लीज घर, ठीक है? डरना नहीं है.
अंधेरा कितना ही घना हो, काला हो या भयानक हो, उसे हराने के लिए रोशनी की एक किरण ही काफी होती है. हिम्मत ही वो रोशनी होती है जो नाउमीदी में उम्मीद की किरण लेकर आती है. रोशन की जिंदगी के एक खौफनाक जख्म ने उसे अंधेरे से डरा रखा था. ऐसे में रिया के सपोर्ट, डॉक्टर की एडवाइस और खुद रोशन की अपनी हिम्मत ने उसकी अंधेरी जिंदगी को रोशन किया. आज के एपिसोड में बस इतना ही. अगले एपिसोड में एक और फोबिया, एक और कहानी, एक और पेशेंट के साथ हाजिर होंगी मैं. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें, मुस्कुराते रहें एंड स्टे फियरलेस. नमस्ते.
Wow. Very nice.
मामा 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 देखो मामा को क्या हो गया। मामा मामा मामा
प्रवीण प्रवीण प्रवीण।
अरे वाह साले साहब, आपने तो कमाल कर दिया। ये सब आप लोग के प्यार की वजह से हुआ है, वरना इस डर को हराना इतना आसान नहीं था। लेकिन मेरा डर जितना स्ट्रांग था उससे कहीं ज्यादा स्ट्रांग था आप लोग का प्यार।
मौत की आंखों में आंखें डालकर तू छीन सकता है जिंदगी, चल छीन ले। तुझ में है जो वो नहीं है और में, इस बात पर है अजनबी, कर यकीन ले। चल अपने डर को तू डरा से डर के आगे